Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video I'll show you how to add this design to your Blogger website. So here we can see that we have these different services displayed over here, and if you hover over this, we have different images displayed, and the images move according to the cursor position. So in the previous videos I have been teaching you how to create this from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now in this video I'll show you how to add this to your Blogger website, and I will also leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So let's get started. Now before adding this to our Blogger website, let's fix a small issue that we have. So if you take a look at this image, we can see that the background is also the same color as the text. So it is not being displayed correctly. So let's go back, and here in the CSS, we just add one line of CSS. So here in the anchor tag, where we have all these text displayed, so here I'll just add mix blend mode, and I'll just set it to difference. Now if you go back here, we can see that the text has different color than the image. So now we can see that the text is being displayed correctly, but it is affecting every other text. So let's go back, and I'll just cut this from here, and we'll just add it to the hover. So let's type feature a:hover, and let's paste this line of CSS. And now we can see when we hover over this, we have the opposite color displayed for the text. So now let's go ahead and add this to our Blogger website. So let's go to the Blogger dashboard, and I'm using this theme called Contempo Light, which comes by default with Blogger. Now let's go ahead and create a post, and let's add this design to a post. So let's go over here to new post, and I'll just add features. And here first of all you need to change this to HTML view, and here you can add your code. So let's go to our CSS, and let's copy everything from here till the end, and let's paste it over here inside a style tag. And now we need to paste the HTML code. So let's go back, and let's go to the HTML file, and let's copy this division from here. So this is this image hover container division, and let's paste it over here. And lastly we need to add the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag, and let's go back, and let's go to the main.js file. Let's copy this code from here, and let's paste it over here. Right, now the next thing we need to do is we need to add the image URLs over here. So right now it is set to images/websites.jpg. Now we don't have this images folder in our Blogger website. It is inside our local project. So what we need to do is we need to upload this image somewhere and get the link and paste it over here. So I'll just do that right here. So you can just go ahead and click on this insert image button and click on upload from computer. And here you can click on choose files, and here we have these images. So I'll just select all of these, and let's click on open. And the images are being uploaded. Right, now let's select all these images, and let's click on select. And here I'll just select original size, and let's click on OK. And all these images are uploaded, and we have the links inside the href. So let's copy this link. So this is for applications.jpg. So let's copy this, and let's paste it where we have the applications image. So I'll just paste it over here and here. And let's do the same with the other images. So the next one is this image right here. So let's copy this, and this is for branding. And let's paste it for the branding image, and I'll just paste it over here as well for the data image src. And then we have the next image, which is this image right here, which is for debugging, and I'll just paste it for debugging. And after that we have the other image, which is SEO. So let's copy this, and let's paste it for SEO. So I'll just paste it right here and here. And then lastly, we have this image right here, which is for websites. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here for websites and here. Now we can go ahead and delete these lines of code. So now let's go ahead and click on publish and confirm. Right now let's click on view for this post, and here we have these features displayed, and if you hover over this, we have the image displayed, and the height and the width of the image is not being displayed correctly. Let's take a look at the mobile version. And this is how the mobile version looks. So we have some problems in the styling. So let's fix that. I'll just go ahead and right click over here and go to inspect. And let's take a look at what's the problem. Now here we can see we have this feature division, and we have set the width to 100%. Let's try and remove the width. So if we remove the width, then we have the correct styling. So let's set the width to auto. So let's go back to our post and let's go to the feature, which is right here, and I think we have the feature over here as well, and we don't have the width over here. So let's scroll down, and here for the feature, let's set the width to auto and let's update this. Let's go back to our post and reload, and now we don't have any problems in the images of the mobile version. Now the next problem is that this text is not being displayed correctly. So let's go to this anchor tag, and if you scroll down, here we have some styles added by the theme. So here it is set to word break, break word. So if we set this value to, let's try normal, now we don't have any problems in the text. So we need to set the word break to normal in our custom design. Now this text is not displayed exactly where we want. So here in our original design, here we can see that the text is displayed inside this image. So let's make the changes over here. So if we take a look at the image, here we can see that the theme has added some styles over here. So here for post body image, the height is set to inherit. So if we remove that, now we can see that the text is being displayed correctly. So we need to set the height of the image inside our design to 100% of the parent. So let's do that. Let's go back and let's go to the image. So here let's go to the feature image mobile, and here for the height we need to add an important so that this style is being added instead of the theme style. So let's publish this and let's reload this page. And now we can see that the text is being displayed inside the image, and we'll also add this word break of normal. So let's go back and let's go to the anchor tag, and here let's type word break normal. And now we can see that it is being displayed correctly. Let's also decrease the font size a little bit. So here for the mobile version, I'll just set the font size to, let's try 20 pixels. And for the mobile version, we don't want to have this mix blend mode. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here, and let's set it to unset, and let's update this. Let's go back to our website, and now we don't have any problems. Everything is looking all right. Let's take a look at the desktop version. Now in the desktop version, we don't have the correct height for these images. So if we take a look at the CSS, here let's open this feature image, and here we can see that here also we have the post body image from the theme interfering with our CSS. So if we remove this height, so if we just set the height to, let's go back to our CSS and let's see what's the height that we set over here. So here we can see that the height is set to 300 pixels and the width 240 pixels. Now here if we scroll down, here we can see that the height was overridden by this theme code. So let's go ahead and add an important for the height. So here for the height, let's type exclamation important. Now this line of CSS will have more importance. So let's update this. And let's go back and let's reload this page. Now we also have some issues with the width of the entire container. So let's right click and go to inspect, and here we can see that we have added a max width of 700 pixels. So we need to remove that, and we'll also decrease the padding. So I think we can set the padding to, I think we can just remove the padding for left and right, and for top and bottom I think we can remove the padding altogether. So let's remove the padding of image hover container, and let's remove the max width of feature container. So let's do that. So here for image hover container, let's remove the padding, and for features container, let's remove the max width, and let's update this. And now let's go back to our website and let's reload this page. And now we don't have any problems, and we can see that the image width and height is being displayed correctly. So that's basically how you can add this image hover effect to your Blogger website. So that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, and if you have any doubts you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.